A BJP MLA has said that he's ready to fight for the Hindu community in Bangladesh. That's T. Raja, who has said will fight for the Hindus. He's appealing Prime Minister Narendra Modi to allow him to go and cross the border to Bangladesh. BJP MLA Raja has said ready to fight for the Hindu community that's being targeted and attacked in the neighbor nation Bangladesh. And he has said Hindus are being killed, their shops are being looted. What are we doing about it? Let's listen in first to what he has said.
मैं आज प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी से निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि मोदी जी रुद्र रूप दिखाने की आवश्यकता है आज। और जब पाकिस्तान में जो हुआ है वो बांग्लादेश में हो रहा है, बांग्लादेश के हिंदुओं की रक्षा के लिए आज का बजरंगी तैयार है मोदी जी।
So he's an MLA from Telangana, remember, and a BJP MLA T. Raja Singh has said this. Vidya is joining me for the latest on this. So Vidya, I'm sure it's unlikely to happen that he'll be given that permission, but what has led him to say what he did and where was this comment made? Tell us more details about the political showdown also happening over this.
Remember, he was talking in Goa,
Okay.
the state where he, in fact, before this particular bit of speech, he also mentioned about how the population in Goa of a certain community, a Muslim community, has grown up from 3% to 12%. And, it's not really new for T. Raja. He's spoken about divisive hate speeches. He is famous for it. And he's, in fact, in Maharashtra itself, in Mumbai, there are a couple of cases registered against him. In Maharashtra, there are at least 5-6 cases. All across, there are dozens of cases that are registered against him in various places for the hate speeches, especially during the election campaigning. When he had come to Mumbai during the Lok Sabha polls, he had done, made some speeches which were considered to be hate speeches by Mumbai police and the Thane police, as well as some other local police stations, and cases for the same were registered. So it's not really new that what he's spoken about, but certainly, as you mentioned, Pooja, it's unlikely that anyone would actually send him to Bangladesh to actually do what he intends to do. But certainly, this kind of speech does create a lot of furor, and probably we'll really have to see what really happens further. But then, the BJP is very sure that no one will be sending him across over to the border for sure.
All right. So speaking in Goa, referring to demographic change, a lot that he said in the state. This, of course, was the big highlight, saying, look what's happening to Hindus in Bangladesh. I want to cross the border and be of help to them as well. All right, Vidya, thank you very much for now about what's been happening and to put it in perspective about what T. Raja Singh had said. Meanwhile, what's happening in Bangladesh is concerning because on Friday, another ISKCON temple was attacked. This time, the idols of deity Lakshmi Narayan were vandalized. Protests, meanwhile, also erupted in parts of India in solidarity with the Hindu community in Bangladesh. Take a look at this report of what is happening. Remember that the minority of Hindus in Bangladesh have dipped to 7 to 8%, a minuscule number, clearly in fear right now.
Hindu temples attacked, set on fire by suspected jihadis, idols vandalized. Amid the ongoing violence against religious minorities in Bangladesh, another Hindu temple was set ablaze on the outskirts of Dhaka. The Mahabhagya Lakshmi Narayan Mandir, run by ISKCON, became the target of a heinous attack. The attackers doused the idols with petrol and set the temple on fire. The temple supervisor confirmed that a complaint has been lodged against unidentified miscreants responsible for destroying the temple.
এটা মানে আমাদেরই পারিবারিক মন্দির। তো এটা গত রাতে আপনার রাত 8টার দিকে এখানে কিছু দুর্বৃত্ত পিছন দিয়ে আপনার ওই যে টিনগুলো ওইখান থেকে স্ক্রু খুলে ওই দিক দিয়ে আপনার কি বলে ওই যে পেট্রোল দিয়ে অকটেন দিয়ে আগুন দিয়ে করে যেগুলো পুড়ে ফেলছে। এখানে যে আমাদের বিগ্রহ, এটা হলো লক্ষ্মী, আমাদের লক্ষ্মী দেবী, তারপর নারায়ণ, লক্ষ্মী দেবীর শাড়ি পরা ছিল, নারায়ণের ধুতি পরা ছিল, এগুলো সব পুড়ে ফেলছে। আর এই যে এখানে আপনার ছিল যে পর্দা ছিল টানানো পুরোটা, এগুলো সব একদম পুরো ছাই করে ফেলছে। তো ওদের আরো বড় কোনো প্ল্যান ছিল।
In India, Hindu groups staged protests. Protesters in streets of Noida, Ghaziabad and Lucknow sought end to targeting of Hindus and burnt an effigy of Bangladesh's interim advisor Muhammad Yunus, accusing him of failing to take action against anti-Hindu atrocities.
You can see straight from the visuals how the whole Ramlila Maidan is flooded with the people, residents, especially coming from the different religion, different community. And right now you can find the school children, senior citizens, and especially the women are participating in this protest.
न UNHRC बोलता, न UNO बोलता, न कोई और बोलता। हिंदुओं को लगातार न सिर्फ इस्कॉन को टारगेट किया जा रहा है, सीधी सीधी चेतावनी दी जा रही है कि इनको मारो, काटो, भगाओ, और नहीं तो हम ये कर देंगे, हम वो कर देंगे। इन जिहादी जानवरों को सांकल से बांधने वाला भी तो कुछ चाहिए भाई।
The revered Ramakrishna Mission and ISKCON in Kolkata expressed grave concern over targeting of Hindu temples in Bangladesh.
ये बहुत ही दुखद है। हम देख रहे हैं कि हम बहुत आशा करके रखे थे कि शायद अब ये हिंसा कम होगी। 2 दिन से थोड़ा सा कम भी हुआ था, लेकिन फिर से आज जो ये अटैक हुआ है इस्कॉन के एक और मंदिर में, वो बहुत दुखद है।
Bangladesh has witnessed repeated attacks on Hindus and other minorities, including incidents of arson, looting and desecration of temples and deities. These attacks have intensified since the ouster of the Sheikh Hasina government on August 5. Bureau Report, India Today.